Hi, I'm Ruben. I'm a Year 3 Apprentice Applications Engineer here at the Carfulan Group, and this is what a typical day looks like for me. The Carfulan Group provides world-leading manufacturing technology to companies across the UK and Ireland with 5 different divisions. In my role, I work with 2 of the divisions here, OGP UK and Vici Vision UK, who are focused on inspection and metrology. I start off by turning the machines on in the showroom to make sure they are all set for the day, and then give them a quick wipe down and make sure they're presentable in the case we have any visitors or customers coming in. No day is the same at Carfulan Group. One of the things I love about my role as an apprentice and working for the group is the variety of jobs I get involved in. Throughout the year we do lots of internal and external events, and I love getting involved in the build-up and the breakdown of these events. So it's my role to ensure the machines are safely taken off the lorry and the showroom set up again for the visitors. Following that, I jumped on the Vici machine to carry out some work for a customer of ours to help program their parts. Some of the customers we work with include King of Shaves, Procter & Gamble, Gillette and many more well-known brands. This is the favourite part of my role, as I get to work on some of the pretty interesting stuff that is making a difference to our customers. After I checked their programme, measured all the features required, it was time for a cup of tea. Back at my desk in the office, I went through some of my coursework to make sure I'm on top of it. I also had to look through some of the training manuals before taking a customer call to help them with their query. One of the great things about the Carfulan Group is that all of the staff are extremely friendly and helpful. Many have years of experience, which is great for me to learn from. They genuinely care about my progression and help me out every day. When I have free time, I will pick their brains and see if they have any interesting parts I can practice with, such as this component here, which is perfect for the Metros machine. So I decided to have a go at programming and measuring a routine for myself, changing the tolerances and producing reports. The facilities and working hours are great here, with plenty of time in the day to get work done without having to stay late and having the freedom to work and learn at my own pace. I hope that gives you a glimpse into what it's like to be an apprentice applications engineer at the Carfulan Group. I'm really enjoying my time here and I'm looking forward to what the future holds.